Hello everybody, hope you all are keeping safe. Today, this is what I did. I did dry fruits and nuts cake. Very easy and simple in this quarantine time that we're at home, boring, nothing to do. You just, keep practicing some ingredients and just make up your own menu. So what I did today, I break 2 eggs, whisk it with sugar, set aside. Then I mix my flour I just measure it a little bit of 1/2 cup of flour, Brocos wheat and almond flour, mix all together with salt and baking powder and bioca. Then I put in some cinnamon, mix up my dry fruits and nuts, then mix all those wet ingredients together with oil, a lot of my hemp seed oil and olive oil. Then I mix it and bang the oil and the wet eggs and every other wet things and my vanilla extract into the flour and mix and tip it inside the baking pan. I oil the baking pan and sprinkle a little bit of flour inside the baking pan so that when it is cooked, it will be easy to just come out easily. So that is what I did today. So I bake it for about 35 minutes, 40 minutes, about 20-25 minutes. And here it is now, ready to eat. Ready with a cup of tea or drinks or water or whatever you want to eat with it. That is it. Look at it. My dry fruits and nuts cake. Look how crunchy it is outside and fluffy inside. Look. You see? So I just keep baking and baking. Go to the supermarket, get all your nuts, dry fruits. So guys, keep safe, keep washing your hands, stay at home. And thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for the new subscribers. And thank you for those who has not subscribed, but they are watching my video and making their comments. Please go and subscribe, I beg of you. And thank you so much, guys. And bye, and take care, and bye-bye.